Good morning. This is R.Arun from Mechanical Department at SNS College of Engineering. In this lecture series, we see about a section of solid and combined with development of solids. Okay, so let's see our some examples. Yes. So here I have to show here. So I have to take the pentagon prism here. So the pentagon prism of base side is 30 mm and the axis height is 50 mm is standing on HV. So the HV means call it as horizontal plane. On is a base whose one of its side is perpendicular to VP. It is cut by a section by a plane is 45 degree to incline to HP through the midpoint of the axis. So draw the front view and sectional top view and sectional side view and also the true shape of the section and the development of the surface of remaining solid. So we are discussing the two cases here. The first one is we have to find out the section of solid. After that, the development of the solid also we discussing in this lecture series. So here, first of all, what is the solid can be given in a question. The first one is pentagonal prism. So the pentagon means it having a five side. The five corners and base side is 30 mm. So that I got to proceeding the pentagon having the side of 30 mm. But it having a some conditions whose one of the side is perpendicular to VP. So the pentagon having five side, you have to take any one side, it is a perpendicular to VP. Let I have to show the diagram of according to the given condition. So first of all, I draw the XY line that is called as X and Y. This means called as reference line. After that, according to our condition, I draw the pentagon shape. So here, this is the one of the side is perpendicular to the BP plane. So that's why I have to represent here. So what is the interior angle of pentagon is 108. So after that, I give the name here the pentagon prism so that I give the name of A, B, C, D for the each corner. That is, then after that, I have to join the all the corners towards the opposite base side. That is a perpendicular line. I getting the midpoint of the given axis. So after proceeding the pentagon, that is a top view of the pentagon. After that, I have to draw the prism. So what is the prism height is called as 50 mm. So that I have to project the all the corners here. So like A to up to reference line E, B, D and C. So I have to project all the corners to the reference line. After getting the projecting the all the corners to the reference line, I getting the base side of the given prism. This is the base side of the given prism. So then your the height value is mentioned in the prism. What is the height value is 50 mm. So that I have to mention the height value is 50 mm. I have to enclose the box. So after completing the top view and front view of the given solid, that is the solid name is here the pentagonal prism. So after completing this section, I have to cut in the cut. I have to move into the next step. That is my move. Next step is call it as it is a cut by a section by a plane is 45-degree inclined to HP. So what is the meaning of inclined to HP? It is called it as the incline means this is above the reference line. So where is my cut the plane means that is a process through the midpoint. So my given solid height is 50 mm. So that I have to take the exact midpoint of the given solid. So what is the height of the prism? Is a 50. So that what is the remaining of is called it as 25. So after pointing the mark that is 25, either you have to take the top side or bottom side from the base. Okay, you have to mark in the uh, midpoint of the given solid. After that, they given the angle. That is angle value is 45-degree inclined to HP. So either you have to take left to right or right to left, you have to cut the plane. So I have the indication here, the reference line. That is a dotted line I have to represent it. The dotted line is represent the given solid according to our condition is a 45-degree inclined to HP and is through the midpoint. I have to cut the plane. After that, I give the name. There is like A dash, B dash, E dash, C dash, T dash. Why they I have here only one name is here, but here the two names are there. So we have to see the corner of the given prism that is called as a pentagon. You look at the top view. I have to project this line. It is joining with the one corner, so that I give the name of A dash. But here the line is projected towards the given top view. The line is meeting in the two corners like B and E. So that I have to give the name of B dash and E dash. Similar, the C and D I have to project towards the given top view of the solid. So it is a meeting at C and D now. So that I have to give the name of C dash and D dash. After completing this section, that is the conditions of the given prism, so you have to developing the side view of the given solid. So what is the side view? So how to proceed the side view is the easy one. So first of all, you have to draw the 45-degree inclination angle. After that, you have to project the all the corners of like A, B, C, D, E, or like all the corners of the given top view. Okay, so towards the I have already drawn a 45-degree. So it is a meeting at some pointers. Okay, after completing this segment, you have to you have to draw the perpendicular line towards the front view. So like this. Okay, so you have to draw the here the first E there. E, you have to draw the horizontal line. That point is meeting at a 45-degree inclination. You draw the perpendicular line. Similar D dash, C, B, and D. So completely likewise, you have to draw the perpendicular line from the each corner from the top view of the given solid. Okay. So after completing this one, you have to project the horizontal line from the top view. So I have to draw it here. So after completing this horizontal and vertical line, you have to coincident points, you have to catch it up, you have to draw the side view of the given solid. So what is the point we are getting? Let's see. I discussing this point. For example, let take as a A is the example. So you have to coincident with that is a A in that is A dash. So that I have to mark it here. A double dash. Similar B I have to mark it in coincide with B double dash. Similar C is coincide with C double dash, that is C dash and D dash. So after getting this point, I have to draw the lines. So I have to join the D double dash and C double dash. Similar C double dash, B double dash, B double dash, A double dash, then A double dash, then E double dash. Similar E double dash into D double dash. After completing this line, I have to shade it. Okay, I have to join the all the lines. I getting the side view of the given solids. Okay, so after that, I have to shading the hatch line for the given side view. That side view I have to draw in true shape of the given solid. That is a question you have mentioned. That is a draw the front view, sectional top view, and the sectional side view. I complete in the sectional side view, but I have to proceed in the sectional top view. That is another condition, another unknown data for the given question. So how to find out how to draw the section of top view? Let's see. That yes. So I have to draw the parallel line of the inclination. The cutting plane is we are already discussing. Okay, this line I have to parallelly I have to draw the x1 and y1. After drawing the x1 and y1, I draw the horizontal line from a dash, b double dash, b dash, e dash, then c dash and d dash. So I have to draw the some approximate length. After draw this line, okay, you have to measure the distance between A and E for the top view. Okay, let's take an example. This one is an example. You have to measure the distance between A and E. Then you have to coincide with A. Yeah, there is a x1 and y1 is a reference point. From the reference point, you have to cut the arc. What is the distance you have to measure from the reference line xy to A? Okay, so that distance you have to take the compass, then you have to proceeding in x dash and y dash, that is the origin of the line. Then you have to focusing on the compass on this line, you cut the arc here. Okay, that is a point I was hitting. It's like so similar. I have to draw the distance between E and E. Similar distance between E and B. Distance between D and E. That is the distance between X, Y, D. Okay. Similar X, Y, and C. After getting the all the points, after getting the A, E, D, C, B, I give the name, the capital letters of A, B, C, D, E. So after joining the all the lines like A, B, then A, E, E, D, then C, D, then B, C. I getting the all the line. That is the sectional top view of the given slide according to our conditions. So this is the first shape, that is a true shape. It's also called as true shape of the given solid. That shape can be obtained from the top view of the given solid. After cutting the cutting section of the plane is 45 degrees through the midpoint of the axis. Okay, so what is the remaining section? That is the development of the remaining solid. Okay, so how to proceed the development of the remaining solid? So I have to take the reference line of xy, then I have to draw the development of the given solid. So first of all, you have to understood that is a solid name is prism. No, so that is a we are getting the rectangular shape only. We have to output of the given solid. That is the development of the given solid. In case it is a prism, we are getting the it's like a cone shape. It's like a circle. Okay, so after dividing the five equal parts, why you have to draw the five equal box means the pentagon having five sides, so it having a five corner and five base side. Similar, so it having a five rectangular face also there. That five rectangular face I have to show it here in right side. That is a distance of 30 mm and the height is 50 mm. After draw this the five box, you have to draw the line. That is horizontal line. Already we have to draw in the side view. We have to extend this line. Okay, we have to extend this line up to the development part. So after development part, you give the name. So what is the corner of the name here? That is A, no. So you have to start the letters is A. That letter should be when what letter you have to start, that letter should be ending in the corner. Why? Because the first and last corner will be is joining. So that I only the first name and last name it should be same. So I give the name like A B C D E A. So I already said no, that is I start the A letter so that the last letter is also A. So what name you are to given in this side? Okay, that is very important. What is the name? What is the letter you are to given? That letter you are to should be start. That letter from the letters you have to continue the variables. Okay. Yes. So after completing this one, you have to proceeding the horizontal line from the top view, so front view. So I have to draw the line like this. So after that, you have to just mapping like A is mapping with A dash, B dash E dash is mapping with B and E, C dash D dash is mapping with C and D. Similar, you have to draw the line that is A, B, C. Why need to draw the line? So it is here the pentagon, it having a straight line, it having a line, so that I have to draw the line. Okay, then after that C and D, then D and E, then E and A, after enclosing the given solids. That is the development of the given solid. That is the remaining solids of the given solids. So this is the final view of the development.